Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick video to show you how you can spruce up a TV over the fireplace. My husband and I were at a war because I wanted a painting or a mirror on top of my fireplace, but it being the family room, he wanted a TV. So it is his house also, so I gave in and I gave him his TV. Now I still want my house looking glam and beautiful, so I decided to use these gem bling wrap, and I decided to put it all around my television. I'll show you that, and I'll also show you how I decorated my fireplace top. Okay guys, so definitely be careful when you're putting this wrap. I've already told you this before. The back is this like gel like glue, and if you pull it too much or if you put too much heat to it, it will fall apart on you. It happened to me here, so please be careful. Sorry guys, because I don't have anybody helping me here, so I'm trying to do both things at the same time. Bam. And that is done. And so now I have to do this side. And I'm trying to be careful because I'm literally on top of my fireplace. Yeah, don't tell nobody guys. My husband will kill me. Oh shoot, did I cut that wrong? No, I didn't. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. And this has a sticky back, so it's very easy just to roll and press. And make sure that you keep it nice and even. That'll make your project tacky. Be right back. All right, final piece. And let me cut it first. We are going to go right. Oh my God. Check out the bling on this. So stinking cute. Then I am going to take a spotlight and put it up there so that when it hits, it shines that, and it shines the bling that I put on my fireplace. Oh my God, it's gonna look so cute. Let's look at it from afar. There's not much shininess to it right now because it's daylight, but in the evenings, oh my God, the glam that's gonna come from this. And right now, actually, when the sun is hitting it, it looks really cool. The camera's not picking it up, or it might be. So cute, I love it. Alright guys, I hope you like it. Just something quick and simple that you can do to glam up your room if you have a husband like I do and doesn't allow you to put a pretty painting up above your fireplace. Also got these pretty sconces from oh my goodness, hold on, from Kirkland's. And they're a little plain, so I put a little bit of bling on the bottom and I put a little bit of bling on the glass just to kind of make it cohesive with the rest of the decor. Being that the TV was black, I got the sconces black because everything else is white except for the center of the fireplace, which has black in it, so it brings it all together. And let me finish putting the rest of my decor back on, and I'll show you what my Glam fireplace looks like. All right, so you guys already saw my husband's initial, which is E, and I have these beautiful lanterns over here. I went ahead and glammed them up. I got these in Lowe's, I believe, 2 years ago. They had an end of Christmas sale, and I have the E and the J for our names from a Tuesday morning, and decided that I was gonna just continue my glam. And so I got this beautiful elephant in Ross. I picked up, let me take that off, this beautiful candle holder at Ross. And what is it? Nose to the window, nose to the door, or, okay, I think it's that way. And I had this beautiful vase that I put those beautiful crystals on it, and put my beautiful white roses on it. Sorry, I've got my hands in the way. Now for this side, I kept on the design with the mosaic mirrors, and I have this O, and I have my J, and then I have an awesome vase, which is over here, and I decided to put that in the back and make another vignette. Ooh, and I don't like the fingerprints, so let's wipe. 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 So there we go. We have a vignette, a pretty vignette here, and a pretty vignette there. What do you guys think? Tell me, is it too much? I'll take some constructive criticism. Don't be mean. I think it's awesome. It may be too much bling for some people, but I love bling, and it's absolutely gorgeous for me. Oh, not to mention, do you guys remember the DIY? Oh, I lost you. You remember the DIY candle holders that I made a couple of years ago? I painted them silver to go with my new decor. And because I love the navy blue and the cobalt blue, and that's spread out throughout my house, I decided to take those bling wraps, and that bling wrap, and I put it around the candle holders. So, what do you think about that? Now, this area and that area is still a work in progress. That's not originally what I wanted there. I had some mirrors, stand-up mirrors that I wanted to go there, and I don't know, it just didn't for me. I saw it somebody else's video and I thought it was cool, and I bought them but didn't like it, so I put them in my master bedroom, and I decided to put these tables, which I bought for my living room but didn't like them, next to my couch. So until I find something else for there, maybe some long vases or something, that's going to stay there, because of course my house doesn't have that many walls. It's open space all over the place on this side too. So there's really not much wall space to hang shelves or to stand some cabinets and stuff next to, so I can put up some of my decor. So I decided to leave it like that. Tell me what you think. Should I take them out? Should I leave them in? I'll take all the constructive criticism that I can take. Okay? All right, guys. Hug. Love. And see you guys soon.
Okay guys, so this is the final look on how beautiful the trim around the TV came out. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post the next video. And hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. Come on guys, show me some love.